Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the column function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly is this function and how it works? So pretty simple. The column function will return the column number of a certain cell. So as you can see in this video, I have selected some cells, so the cell G3, the cell I4 and the cell M1 that we are going to use to test our column function. So what's going to happen is that it will return the column in which that cell is. So this cell, for example, is on the row number 3, and now with the column function we'll be able to know on what column this cell is. So let's try it out. So pretty simple. The way it's going to work, we are simply going to start with an equal sign, and then we are going to write down column. And just like that, we'll be able to have our column that will appear, from our column function that will appear. Now we can select our cell and we can just close our parentheses. And just like that, we know that the cell J3 is on the column number 7. So we can test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll do the same thing for the cell right here. So we'll just copy and paste this function. Instead of J3 or J4, we are going to select this cell right here, which is I4. And now if we run it, as you can see, it will be on the column number 9. So if we want to do the same thing for this cell right here, we'll do the same thing. And just like that, here instead of I5, we are going to select the cell right there. And just like that, we know that this cell is on the column 13. Now, we can select a cell, but we can also select a block of cells. So how exactly can we do this? So pretty simple. Instead of selecting just one cell, you can take your cell and drag it just like this. And what's going to happen once you run your function, you will be able to see the column number of each of the cells inside of that set of cells. So for example, my first cell, which is in this case the cell M1, will be on the column 13. Then the cell N1, or the cell, whatever cell is on this column, will be on the column 14, then column 15, etc. until it reaches 15 and 16. So this is how you can use the column function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.